highly regard the Chinese people for all their contributions to mankind in the past, in the present, and I'm sure in the future. But I do have some basic questions. What does the Chinese Communist Party have to fear from its faithful people? Why can't it trust its people with the Bible? Why can't Uyghur children be named Muhammad? Why can't the Tibetans choose and venerate their own religious leaders like they have for more than 1,000 years? I believe we need to call these camps what they are. They're internment camps, created to wipe out the cultural and religious identity of minority communities. Based on the testimony of survivors, it is clear that China's misguided and cruel policies in Xinjiang are creating resentment, hatred, division, poverty, and anger. To use a Chinese official's own words, this is essentially fertilizing the soil that breeds terrorism.